If I take this and get it resonating, and I hold my mouth, that will be another resonance chamber. Welcome back, friends of Midnight Science Club. We're here. It's Jake, Wizard 4, and Deuce, Wizard in Training. Hey. Guy, you could be Wizard 5. Not saying now. I'm just saying good potential. I'm still feeling pretty good, so 4 might reign for quite a while. And I went through the collection of stuff. We've been collecting stuff here at Faraday Studio for 225 years. And this has to do with acoustics and sound. We're going to generate some neat sound waves today. I know you thought these were cereal bowls, right?
Well, that one.
That looks like that's what you would eat ice cream out of, right?
No, just a bowl of cereal.
These are called Tibetan singing bowls. Tibet or not Tibet, that is the question. If you rub these bowls just the right way, they'll sing to you. You'll build up a standing wave or a resonance wave. You know how when you're pushing somebody in a swing and you have to push it just at the right time to get them to go higher? If you're pushing somebody too soon, they'll just smack into you. And if you wait too late, they go right on by. But if you can just push at the right time, you can get them swinging high.
Like a pendulum.
Like a pendulum, something like that. Because you keep adding the energy just at the right time. And you can add energy to these bowls to whack them a little bit and they'll ring. Listen to this. Hear that?
Sounds like a bell.
Sounds like it is. Well, I guess it's upside down. But I'll try bringing some of these other ones, see what they sound like. Oh, sweet. Well, this is good. Okay. You can play a song. Take this soft part of this stick and just beat it ever so soft, just to get the thing vibrating a little bit. Build up some motion. Because that metal is all moving now, right? Isn't that amazing? Now I'm not beating that, am I?
Nope.
But I'm pushing that wave out in front, keeping it going, adding a little energy, like pushing somebody on a swing. I'm making the air vibrate inside the bowl. I'm building a standing wave. The air is vibrating, the metal is vibrating, but I'm making that pocket of air. It's called resonance. How does that resemble a guitar or a violin in some way?
I actually do have a little bit of knowledge behind that.
Ooh.
Because I did play the cello in high school and
right,
in elementary school. That's another reason why it being hollow as well as it being on this will make a difference between the sound.
Yeah. That's right. You were kind of stroking the strings right there with the bow.
Yep.
And making that air inside vibrate. Resonate. So we're going to try this. I don't know. They say that if I take this and get it resonating and I hold my mouth, that will be another resonance chamber. You never.
Yeah, I'm going to have to see that one.
If I change, because I can get a pitch here and I can put another resonance change, and then move my mouth and make a different sound. I don't know. I'm going to try it and then you're going to do it because you're better than me. Did you hear that? Oh, that's good. I can hear it. Check with us a couple of months. We'll have this. Maybe by Christmas we can do Christmas carols with it. They do vibrate.